is SK Mama. Welcome to today's vlog. Today I'm going to take you around my village. It's an adventure around the way. Come with me if you're new here. Remember to subscribe and thank you for the support, guys. Thank you. So come along with me. Um, I'm here with my brother. Yeah, we're taking you around. This used to be a farm, but it's now a field for the animals. These are peas. This is a farm. These are peas growing there. This thing in nettle. Do you guys know thing in nettle? And it's very sweet. It's actually edible. You see how green our home is? Yeah, I'm in love with it. Dana, say hi to the people.
Hi,
What's your name?
Dennis.
Tell them to subscribe.
Make sure you like and subscribe and put those notifications on for more videos.
Thank you. I love this place. It reminds me of so much during my childhood. I spent part of my childhood here and part of it at my mama's place. So this place is made up of too many memories. So these are field. Some calves are grazing here. Yeah, these are my uncle's calves. And this used to be a small river. I don't know what happened. It's now dry, though there's a little bit of water. Yeah. They know you can't come here because you have no gumboot. You see the water? It's actually fresh water. This is rainwater. So that's why the river is seasonal. Because when there's rain, it's there. But when the rain goes, it's not. It flows all the way down to my other uncle's farm. Let me take you around. There's a small dam here. I'll show you. These are calves. Hello. Kafi Kafi, why are you going away? I don't. Then you can pass there. Because where I am, there is water. This cow dung. Some of you don't even know cow dung. Don't worry. I'm here for you. That's cow dung. I'm wearing gumboots. These are the gumboots. That's why I can pass in where I want. Oh, and make sure you don't step the stingy net, okay? Yeah, it will sting you. You know he has no gumboots. He's wearing Crocs. There's so much sting in nettle. It actually goes well with ugali. Ugali is our national dish. Yeah, it's made of corn flour and water. You just mix it. You can take the ugali with a stingy net, or some of you are wondering, doesn't the stingy netto sting you when you eat it? No, it doesn't. When you boil it, the stings will die. Can I say they die? Yeah. I saw this small dam. I also have so many memories from here. I remember some of the boys from the other side of the village. They're not our friends, they're just boys. Used to come to swim here. And we had a dog. His name was Poppy. I'm talking of times when I was between 4 years, 4 to 10 years. That's the period. So those boys used to come swim here, and our dog Poppy used to chase the geese. Do you know those geese, the wild geese? Yeah, there were a lot of them here. I don't know what happened. I don't see any here. And that dog was a very good swimmer. Ugh, he died unfortunately. Not because he was sick or anything. Somebody just decided to murder him. People are heartless. Can you imagine that? Somebody decided to murder Poppy. You didn't even get the chance to meet him.
Man,
Yeah, he was the best dog ever. Jeez. You just met him somewhere, poisoned people. People can even be jealous of dogs. Gosh, Jesus. Uh, let's go. Can I lead the way?
yes, you know.
You just make sure you follow me so that you won't fall. I don't know, you can't pass here because there is water. So I have to look for
You pass
an
there.
easier way for you to. Are you sure you pass there? Be safe. Hey, oh, jeez. You know, I'm wearing gumboots. I also have my fears passing here because I don't know how deep it is. You might see the vegetation, but I might step it and boom, I'm inside the river. There is also water there. You can't pass there. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, Mr. Pro.
Jesus soft in water. Who am I?
Okay. It's a good one. Do you hear those noises? We used to call them kegogo. What is kegogo called in English? Hogs. Hogs.
Oh,
Hogs. Are you sure they're hogs? Let me
hogs
show
are
you
vultures.
guys. Yeah?
Hogs are vultures.
No, they're not vultures. They're vultures. I don't know if you guys can see one there. Let me get closer to some. I don't
That
know what
looks
they're
like a
eating in
vulture.
the water.
Looks like a vulture.
You sure?
I don't know.
Let me take you. I have the confidence of how do we say it? The confidence of a what? Because simply I'm wearing gumboots. These ones, guys. I don't know if I can get closer to one or they just go away. Hey, Bana. He's making such. Where is he? You guys see him? It's a him or her. Once I get the name of the bird in English, uh, I'll let you guys know. And let's go. Let's continue with the adventure. This adventure in the village. our beautiful village. Huh? You look past there? Are you sure? Be careful. This thing in it was there. Be very careful, my friend. This thing in it might harm you. You know one thing about these stinginators? They make your whole body itch. Oh jeez, how will I pass here with my camera? Ah, okay. I gotta be careful. You know I'm holding it with one hand. Can you help me? Oh jeez. Make sure you don't drop our camera.
Woo!
Oh jeez. Our microphone fell off. But we'll pick it. Bingo.
It's alright. It's alright.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh shit. This is a really adventure. Okay. That was a close one. Thank you. I've seen a plant that I don't know where the plant has gone. I wanted to show you guys that plant. These are more calves. You know you have to separate the calves. Those are the bull calves from the rest of the hand so that they can get used to each other. Anyway, guys, I have no specific reason why they're separated. I don't know. I've been doing it for years. So this is what is usually taken to the butcheries. Do you know that people don't slaughter the milk animals or the other animals? This money, guys. Don't just see them like that and think they're just calves. This is money, bro. This is money.
But you eat them.
Yeah, we sell them.
So we are money in short.
I'm talking of these calves.
If you eat them, they're in your system. You're now money.
No, don't
When
be
you remove
stupid.
it, whatever you remove is money.
Hey, Mr. Coffee Coffee. Hey, this is a big one. I didn't want to get closer to it. Those are more hawks. If Dennis is right, that's the name of the bird. Do you see it? Do you see them? I love that color on them, the green, the dark greenish color. Do you see it? Kwanza ile, do you see it? Hey, we can't get here. I don't know what they are eating. What are they eating inside the water? Maybe they're small fish. I don't know. Maybe tadpoles or frogs. I don't know. All this is our grandparents' land. It's huge. It's a big one. So here there is a borehole for fetching water for the animals. Let me show you. The last time I was here, it had a lot of water. A lot of it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a lot of it. I know you can see the water. Or maybe you can, I'm not sure. There's a lot of water. Actually, a lot of it. It's at the top. So fetching it will be so much easier. So this is where we place the water so that the cattle can just drink from it. It's done daily. After some times, maybe the cattle dip their legs inside the can. You just have to pour the water and fetch pressure. Should we go this way? No, maybe we should we should go through that path so that we can show the people the plants that are here. Oh, let me show you this Sodom apple. I don't know why they call it Sodom apple. Do you know, Dennis? Do you have any reason? You people, those people who named items, I wish you guys can just tell us. It has some stings, and I'm afraid I might get stung. And let me just not cut it, but you guys have seen. Those are the apples. I don't know who Sodom is. Who is Sodom?
The place.
Are you enjoying the adventure?
Of course I am.
Thank you. More stinginator. Hey, stinginator is really a thing here. I don't know what's the name of this plant. There was a time it had infested the whole field to a point that the animals couldn't graze. So you had to get some pesticide and spray it. Do you see that? Hey, Bana, you should have grown up here. There's so many memories. I'm sorry. You missed all that.
I do have small memories.
Of the city? The city is not a thing. You should come here more often,
Why?
especially when the schools are closed. Mangombe, we call the cows ngombes in Swahili, and ngobe in my local language, which is Kikuyu. What plant is this? I'm not sure of that. Do you see this tree? That's a pierced tree, though they no longer grow. I don't know what happened. How could a tree just stop producing fruit all of a sudden? Our cows have all the field to themselves. You have to be careful here. Okay? Jeez. This is my uncle's home. Yep. Let me show you around, guys. This cypress. Do you know cypress, Deno? This cypress. This Sodom apple is acting as a wall here. It's really nice. More cows. Yeah. Let's pass here then. Let's go and enjoy the farm. Utaweza kuvuka? Okay. Alright, Jesu. Have to be careful. Okay. This is maize. This is my cousin's house. His home. More cypress tree. People are serious about planting trees here. Like very freaking serious. When it comes to plant trees here, people are serious. Like we basically plant everything that can grow in the soil around here. So these are peas. more piece here. Do you remember the one that I showed you there? That's potatoes. You can actually grow them together. Oh shit. My battery is running low. But it's okay. You have to finish this video, whether it likes it or not. This, what is managu called in English? Yeah, it's a type of vegetable. I don't remember the name. Managu. Once I remember it, don't worry, I got you. All this is ours. Let me say it's ours because I'm part of the family, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And no farm is empty. I'm telling you, people are serious about farming here. These were cabbages. I don't know what happened. This is a newly planted farm. I'm not sure it's planted here. I guess it's maize. This is mostly grown for the cattle. It's napier grass. Do you know napier grass? It's called dara in Kikuyu. I can't take you to the end, guys. That's the farthest I can go. My battery is running low. I wish I could take you further, but now you have to go back. So let me show you around the home. Here the air is usually fresh. Fresh. With all these trees, all the plants. Like we can never sleep hungry here. It's a farm where Shosho is grandmother. So whenever you hear me use the word Shosho, I know it's grandmother has planted a lot of carrots, a lot of cabbages, to a point that she can't consume all of them. So in case some of the villagers need them, they'll just have to come and buy at a little price, very little price, as low as 50 Kenya shilling. This maize, it also has some memories for me. We used to take the stem. It's usually sweet, especially when the maize is young. I'm sure this one is a sweet one. This one too. Sure, very sweet, like sugar cane. These are carrots. Oh my god, kuna hadi zile straw onions. These are the straw onions. These are my favorite. I love them more than anything. Here is spinach. I don't think anyone has consumed it a long time. That's why it's not taking out. These are the cabbages. They run all the way there. Here. And we have plum trees everywhere. Everywhere around the home. This one is it. There's another fruit tree here. I don't know its name. Watch it. Here are more cabbages that are waiting to be transferred. This tree produces the red. Oh my god, I don't know its name. Some red. I'll show you guys. I'll attach it there. Some red fruits. That's a nursery for the cabbage nursery. That's more. All done by Shosho. At the age of 80 what? Shosho is 80 what? Dennis with a carrot. Here. I'll ask Shosho her exact age. It's 80 something. And she's strong. That's village life for you. So since she can't consume all this, she's selling them to anyone who wants. Yeah, that's for home use. That's, you see that place that is fenced there? That's my cousin's grave. Yeah, that's a story for another day, guys. I'll tell you about it. If I talked about it right now, I'll get emotional, and it's not time for tears. Where are you going? Oh, you want some plums? Those are also pears trees. I'm telling you, hey, Shosho and Guka were very focused when it came to planting trees of all kinds. This one, then no, come, let me show you. I don't know the name of this plant, but it's very good for rabbits. Rabbits love it. There was a time I used to have several rabbits. I sold them after going to high school since there was no one to take care of them. And my mom couldn't. She told me, you know what? I'm not taking care of rabbits. And I'm taking care of cattle, sheep, and everything. I can't. Thanks. This one is so nice. Oh shit. This is a skull. Seems there was a feast here. Ah, there was a feast here. Watu walikula mbuzi huku kama hatuko. So you guys, these are cattle dip. Not cattle dip, cattle sheds. Where Jesus was born. The manger or the manga, whatever you guys call it. Depends with your kindergarten teacher. So this here we feed them, the animal feeds and the salt and all that. Yeah, because you can't give them in the open field. You have to share them equally. Yep. These are more cows. They are salivating. This cow is salivating because it's seeing with some carrots. Can you feed it one? But now, once you feed one, all of them will want some. More plums tree. So many. I'm telling you, this compound is made up of fruits. Fruits everywhere. I wish I could send you guys some. These are sheeps. Dennis, come, let's show them where the sheeps sleep. Oh God, I love this compound. Just look, it's green everywhere. Kila mahali ni green. Hi, Mr. Sheepy Sheepy. So they sleep. They know when it's time to sleep. They just come here. Oh, and it need to be cleaned. It's usually cleaned like after some days. Yeah, I guess my uncle does it. I guess he has been very busy of late. He'll do it. He'll do it. Yeah. This will actually be used for manure. This is manure. Very nice one. Oh, he's a kid. What's a kid? A little goat, a little sheep. Meh, meh, meh. Let me feed one so that he can agree to come close to me. I don't remember the one that I was feeding yesterday. I already made a friend. Come here. Meh, meh. Come here. Who is my friend? The one that was being fed by me yesterday. Meh, meh. Oh, jeez. Where's my friend? I don't know where he is.
Larry.
It is, I guess he's the one.
Let me show. Hey, buddy.
No. Oh. No, that's not him. That's a young one. The other one was a little bit older. That's not him.
Oh,
I don't know if I get him, you guys, I'll show you. He was very happy yesterday. He even came to look for me in the morning. The morning at 8 a.m. Simply because I fed him. Oh God, animals are sweet. Come, Ebu, come and see this. How they lick the salt. So this is another pears tree. Do you see the small pears? Here. And please, my Nigerian people, please. Avocado is not pears. These pears. Do you know they call avocado pears?
that's sick.
I know. That's a ducky, I guess. One of them beat me on the ass when I was little. Very disrespectful.
1,000.
Do you see how they lick the salt? It's very good for them. This compound is made up of animals, fruit, everything. This used to be my Guka's car. Guka is grandfather. Oh, hey, mister, come here. Come.
Larry. Stop. Larry.
Meh. Just wait for it. Meh. Oh God, I'm disappointed. Meh. Oh. Meh. Do you guys hear that? Oh jeez. Meh. Meh. Come here.
Want to eat carrot?
Ah yeah, you can give him a bite. But I don't think we'll take a bite. We'll take all of it. I'm telling you, we'll want all of it. I'm telling you. I told you.
This is giving.
It went to the whole carrot. Oh. Use this fence. Do you see this flower? You see it's fence. It's around the whole compound. Don't worry, I'm taking a plums. I used to call them psalms because we used to recite the psalms so much when we were little. It only started as one flower, and now look at all this. Oh God, it's a beautiful home. I love it. That used to be a picture tin. Now we used to use it in the early days. Dennis is still feeding his friend there. More plums. I love the compound, but the sheep have really contributed to the way the compound looks because they trim it for us. We don't need a mower. We don't need a mower here. They trim it for us. Unfortunately, we don't have electricity here. They just left this post and some cables, but there is no electricity in it. They said they'll do it in January. I hope they do. For years, we've been using solar here. Let me pick another. Oh, guys. You don't know the happiness in this. Pure happiness. So they are not ripe. They still have maybe a week or two. They usually red, like red. I hear it's what jam is made of. Plums. Is it true?
What?
Jam. Done for spreading on the bread. It's true. Oh, I didn't know. Okay. I showed you earlier this borehole. Dennis was calling it well, but it's not. The one who built it made sure. Oh shit, Dennis! Do you know this well is older than you? It was constructed on January 22 and 15th January. I think these are very good. These are very good thing.
I'm older than this.
No, you're not.
I was born in 2009.
Oh, okay, yeah, you were born in 2009. I always forgot that. So it's older than Sam. Sam is my other little brother. I don't know, this sheep won't go. Simply because he was fed. From yesterday, he has been a good friend. He wants to take everything to take. And yesterday he went and called all his friends, saying that there was a good Samaritan feeding them. Hey, don't do that again. Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I appreciate for the support. Please remember to subscribe, share as much as you can with all your friends. I'll appreciate that. This is the Mr. Shippy. If you want more content like this, the village life, let me know. Bye.